Okay, so we have a Forest River Sabre. We have a 2020 model. It's like 301 BH. So it has the bunkhouse in the back. And we got to vacation and realized that for some reason our fridge was not on. So if you open the circuit control panel over there and you try all the fuses like we did, you'll spend a couple hours really frustrated. And then you'll Google. Super angry. And then you'll Google online for about 2 days. No, not really that long, but for a while. And you'll finally figure out that there's an inline fuse down here in the back of the refrigerator. But see, you have to take the whole fridge out. Okay. And then when you get in here, you're going to find this little inline fuse.
The inline fuse will be located right in here somewhere.
Okay, and it's going to be one of those clear little bitty ones. I don't even know where one
clear
is.
250 volt, 15 amp glass fuse.
Okay, it's going to make you want to cuss because this is what's going to happen. You're going to go to Home Depot and you're going to go to O'Reilly's and auto parts stores and Ace Hardware, and you're going to get these little fuses and you're going to plug them in and they're going to keep popping because they're the wrong fuse.
Most of them aren't enough amps.
So then you're going to call Camping World because you have all these warranties and Good Sam and all this crap, and you're going to get more frustrated.
So rule number one, if you buy a camper from Camping World, do not buy the extended warranties. Don't buy crap from Good Sam, because every time I've called them, it's been way more money than it's worth than ever having spent the money to get the warranty from the place to start with. Buy the camper, learn to fix it yourself. That's going to be the best, cheapest way to do it.
Okay, so we went to O'Reilly's and we bought about $58 worth of stuff. So I'm gonna show you some things we bought here.
A lot of which you already probably have.
You probably already have at your house, but the problem that we ran into is we're on vacation, so we didn't have any of this stuff.
Bring the tool bag.
So we got a Smart Glow mini inline fuse holder. Okay, and we got some
extra wire,
and try to match the gauge. Then we got 14. Then we got some wire nuts, basically.
Not necessarily wire nuts. These are,
what are they?
Oh, that is things called assorted butt connectors.
They're
butt connectors. I know, I love it. That's a good one.
They're butt connectors.
The butt connectors.
Oh, and don't judge us for our tools because we didn't really have our tool bag with us, so we
had
had
the only trip I've ever went on camping and didn't bring my tool bag. So, essentially, I took the extra wire, run it through to where it runs out to the front of the camper, or front of the
access panel.
Access panel, or the vent for the vent. The access panel for the vent.
So you don't have to take the whole fridge out.
I got this thing set up to where you open the vent panel, and voila, here is where your fuse is, and it's going to be easily accessed. I don't have to screw taking the whole camper or whole fridge out. Right now it's working just fine. If something was to tear up or stop working, I will repost another video. But
so, okay, we used a 15 amp mini fuse.
Yes, we're using the 15 amp mini fuse.
But we also bought these because we weren't sure what the amp it needed.
Bought some extras because we didn't know what would happen. So
we thought if we plugged the 15 in, it might blow, but it actually did okay. So 15 is probably where it is.
Probably a quick side note, you know, it is a pretty good sized fridge. Make sure you got someone here to help you. It's easy getting it out. We'll see how hard it is to get it back in here in a minute. Probably going to be some fussing and cussing.
And rushing.
But hopefully we will never have to take this out for this issue again. It does appear to be working okay at this moment, so...
and you can probably tell we're not professional video people, but after looking for help online for a few hours, we decided you guys might benefit from being able to Google and find this.
It's ridiculous. Ridiculous, the warranty information and warranty people at Camping World. They're like, oh, you're on vacation? Well, you have to bring it to us for 4 or 5 days and we'll try and fix it.
We're like, well, what are we going to do?
I'm 400 miles from my house. Thank you, that's helpful. All I need is a fuse. Do y'all sell Furrion refrigerators? Yes, we sell Furrion refrigerators. Can I have a fuse from one? No, you can't have one. We don't do it that way. Do you carry those parts? No, we don't carry those parts.
You can order it. Well, guess what? If you try to order it, it's going to be 4 to 6 weeks.
Yeah, Good Sam, Camping World, fail. You guys are really ridiculous.
Okay, so for people who are not electrically savvy, John, like me, for example, it's red because the red wire is the one you cut.
What do you mean the red one?
Like you rewired this thing, but what did you have to cut to rewire it?
We just cut the red wire that had the fuse on it.
Okay, so there was a fuse right here.
Hold it.
Was it connected? How was it connected? What did it look like?
I mean, it had the inline fuse in it.
Okay, well they're gonna know what that is, I assume. I don't know what that is. Alright.
I don't know where the other piece
Okay, we'll show one piece of it.
I already shown the one half of it, see?
Alright.
Here's the...
Okay, good.
Here's the other part. See, when you open your fridge, or open the back of your camper, it's gonna look like this.
Oh, so you have to unscrew that, and that little...
There's a red wire on each side, or the
Okay.
power wire. It may not be red. I don't know. They don't wire any of these things the same way, so good luck.
But find that. And then it has that little clear thing in it.
And then it has a clear fuse in it, and I don't know where that went either. I have one around here somewhere.
It's fine. They'll probably find. They'll find it. If you can find that little thing casing, they'll find it. But it's one of those clear glass fuses. Ah, there we go.
So here we go. There's the glass fuse. Like I said, this is our first YouTube how-to video, so let us know.
Hopefully, we're never going to have to make another one.
Let us know what we can do to improve it, and let us know what we can do to make it better. And you know, we just went through a process of elimination on how to figure out where the fuse is and what it is. And
so, and someone in a forum back in 2017 said, just go to an auto parts store and rewire it with your own mini fuse, inline fuse holder. And I was like, oh, we can figure that out. But honestly, it took us a while to take reading 5 or 6 different forums for different issues to figure it out. So anyway, so hopefully this video will help someone else who's having the same problem. So,
and if it does, good luck. If it doesn't, you're welcome to write us. We can always try to write you back and help you out.
All right, thanks.
Bye.